Is your roof leaking or damaged? The roof on your home is the only thing that protects you and your family from the harsh elements that Mother Nature throws our way. If your roof is leaking or you're showing signs of water damage from a recent storm, your roof needs attention ASAP. The longer you delay getting your roof the attention it deserves, the more expensive your repair bill can be. So don't put it off, and don't settle for fly-by-night roofing companies just to save a little cash. Most of the time, they'll make mistakes that will end up costing you more in the long run. You need to have an experienced, reliable, and fully insured local roofer assess the status of your roof and provide you with a proper written estimate for repair. We're the experienced, reliable, and fully insured local roofer that you need. Give us a call now to have us come take a look at your roof today.